Hi students, so you've clicked on this link to download your resources. Hopefully that's underneath this video. And this right here, the Teach 030 course resources files, is what you're going to click. And then we're going to save these to your computer. So at the same time, we're also going to be creating a folder for this class. So I like to save mine in pictures just because these are going to be pictures. So in your pictures folder, you're going to create a new folder by clicking new folder here. And you're going to call it Image Design. Double click on that folder to open it up, okay? So that you're saving your course resource files within your Image Design folder. And I'm actually going to have you create another folder with your Image Design folder. It's going to be, so click new folder. It's going to be your resources folder. So these are just pictures that the lessons are going to have you refer to complete the assignments. So we're going to double click on our resources folder, and you can see up here that we're in our Image Design folder. Within the resources folder, there's nothing in it yet. We're going to go ahead now and save that zipped, zip means it's a zipped up file there. And my folders will, or files will show up in the bottom left when they're downloaded. I know on some computers I've seen it up in the top right where there's like a little arrow and you have to click on that. So wherever it's at, you're going to now go back to that file. Now, all of these are zipped folders. We are not able to actually access the pictures in these folders. Well, maybe we can. I like to unzip mine just to make sure. So I am going to go back to my resources folder where I can actually see this zipped up folder. I have a feeling if you leave it zipped and you try to open up these images from GIMP, the program that we'll be using, I have a feeling that you're going to run into problems. So just follow along here. So get that zipped folder by going into the resources folder where you saved it. Right click on it and look for extract all. So when you're extracting, you're unzipping. So click extract all. And now you get to pick where you want it. I just want it to be in my resources folder. So I'm personally just going to delete that so that right now it's showing that it's going to be saved in my Image Design folder inside the resources folder. Or you can browse and go back and find that resources folder if it scares you to like delete that. All right, and then I'm going to, and it says show extracted files when complete. Yep, I want to see them. So go ahead and click extract. And perfect. So now all of these folders have been extracted from this zip folder, and I don't need this zip folder anymore. So I'm going to right click on it and delete it. Bye-bye. Perfect. So there's all my resources. They're all inside my resources folder, which is inside my Image Design folder, which is in my pictures. Okay. So all the pictures are in alphabetic order. You can change from list view if you want to, and right now I'm going to go ahead and click on names so that it brings up all my folders first, and I can find my Image Design folder pretty easily. Perfect. And then if you like things, if you like to be able to see the pictures of them, you can just click on this picture view. You can also go, when you're inside this folder explorer, you can go to view, and you can change to extra large icons, list there, details here. And if you want to be able to see your file extensions, so let's say I'm going to go back to list, and I'm going to notice I've got file extensions showing up right now. So I can see JPEGs, PNGs, a .xcf, which is a GIMP file. If I don't want to see those, I can let those go. But if I do want to see my file extension names, which I recommend, click on that check mark, because then you can make sure that you are submitting the correct files. All right, good job.